My name is M. Theoline Johnson. I'm a spiritual humanist and universalist minister. I'm here as a former detainee at Broward Transitional Center, where I was also detained 20 years ago, where we are here to speak on justice for immigrants. And I have been running a campaign on justice for Marie Ange Blaise, who also passed here. The similarity we share is sadly that we're both Haitian women, immigrant, seeking a better life. I am here today speaking. Unfortunately, she was silenced. We both went through this transitional center experiencing medical issues, seeking humanity. But her voice was silenced due to lack of due process. So today, I am here to raise awareness about what is happening, what has been happening, and what is continued to happen because we don't pay attention and do not give enough dignity to those who are behind bars. And I ask that we do not look only on the status or the paperwork, but remember that human, we bleed. And so our humanity is in it, and it cannot be taken from us. Thank you.